Ever thought about investing in real estate in Chile? A country renowned not only for its breathtaking landscapes, but also for its robust real estate market. Thanks to its political stability, strong economy, and transparent legal system, Chile has become an appealing destination for property investments. The first step in this exciting journey is choosing the right corporate structure. Two popular options stand out for foreign investors: the SPA, similar to a limited liability company, and the Sociedad Anónima, a joint stock company ideal for larger investments. After making this critical choice, it's time to register your corporate entity in Chile. This step involves submitting necessary documents, such as business bylaws and a notarized agreement, to the Chilean government. While this might sound complex, rest assured, this process can be handled digitally, and you can even seek the assistance of a local attorney or legal expert. Next, you'll want to open a Chilean bank account in the name of your corporate entity. This serves as a hub for your property purchase transactions and financial dealings. With digital account opening services available in most banks, this step is designed to be convenient for foreign investors. The subsequent step is acquiring a tax identification number, or RUT, for your corporate entity. This unique number can be applied for online and ensures your investment aligns with Chilean tax regulations. Now comes the exciting part: the property search and purchase. Collaborate with a local real estate agent to find the property that matches your investment objectives. Once you've found the perfect place, your corporate entity can secure a purchase agreement, all conducted securely and digitally. Lastly, it's important to remember to comply with Chilean taxation. Working with a local accountant or tax consultant can help ensure you meet all tax obligations related to your investment. This step helps you avoid any legal complications and ensures a smooth ownership experience. In summary, investing in Chilean real estate is a process that involves choosing and registering a corporate entity, opening a bank account, acquiring a tax identification number, finding and purchasing a property, and complying with local taxation. While it may seem daunting at first, the digital services and professional assistance available make it a secure and straightforward process. So why invest in Chile? The potential benefits are numerous: a robust real estate market, political stability, a strong economy, and a transparent legal system. It's an investment opportunity worth considering, offering not just a piece of property, but a piece of the stunning natural beauty Chile has to offer.